Okay, now here we will study the sexual reproduction in animals. Sexual reproduction in animals. So you know that very well. In an animal, that means in a higher animal, there is a sexual reproduction. So in higher animal, there is a sexual reproduction. And what are the characteristics of sexual reproduction? You know that very well. For example, that reproduction is taking place with the help of gametes. So here gametes are formed. That gametes are formed. Which gametes? That is male gamete and female gametes. So here is the male gametes and another one is a female gametes. So that gametes are formed in a sexual reproduction. Here male gametes, that is called as a sperm. Male gamete, that is called as a sperm. Sperms, and here that is called as a ova, or this one is a eggs. So male gametes, that is nothing but the sperms, and female gamete, that is nothing but the here ova. These gametes here produce. Then what is the next event? That one is a fertilization. Next event here is a fertilization. Fertilization. So what is that fertilization? Fertilization means here the fusion of male gamete with female gamete. So what's happened here? There is a fusion of male and female gamete. Male and female gametes. That one is. And now what's happened? Another one thing is that after the fertilization, you got it? Fertilization, the union of male gamete with female gamete, fusion of two dissimilar gamete. One is male gamete and another one is the female gamete. The result of fertilization is the formation of zygote, and from that zygote there is a formation of embryo, and later on there is a embryogenesis up to the formation of offspring. So here is the embryogenesis. Embryogenesis. So embryogenesis. Actually that one is taking place in sexual reproduction. So here fusion of gamete, formation of gamete, fusion of gamete, formation of zygote, then embryogenesis, that one is taking place here. Now one can say here, what is that? Fusion of gamete, that is fertilization, that is also called as amphimixis. That is called as a amphimixis. Amphimixis, this one is. So what is that amphimixis? Fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes म्हणतात त्याला. Now that living organism, animals, they shows two phases in their life. And what is that two phases? One is the juvenile phase and another one is a reproductive maturity phase. Here juvenile phase means the primitive phase, in which what happened? Physical growth is taking place of that particular animal. And in the reproductive maturity phase, what happened? There is, that means animals, they reproduce in that phase. So they are ready to produce young ones. So likewise, so how many phases? First one is the juvenile phase. Juvenile. So here phases, that is juvenile phase. And another one is a reproductive phase. A reproductive phase. So these are the phases. That is the first phase and this one is the second phase. So juvenile phase, it is the primitive phase, and the second phase is the reproductive phase. So physical growth is taking place in juvenile phase, and reproduction, that one is taking place in a reproductive maturity phase. Next to that, after attaining the maturity, the animal exhibit the various events. So what is that various events? The first one is pre-fertilization, that is gametogenesis and gamete transfer, as well as fertilization. So first thing is that gamete formation. So gametogenesis, this one is a gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means the formation of gamete. Spermatogenesis, formation of sperm. Oogenesis, formation of ova, or that one is a eggs. So here formation of gamete, that one is gametogenesis, and another one thing is that in that period there is a transfer of gametes. Transfer of gametes means that gametes are transferred into the body of a female, because you know that human beings are unisexual, sexes are separate. So male reproductive system present in male individual, female reproductive system is present in female individual. So that male gamete should be transferred into the body of a female. So that is called as a transfer of a gametes. Then next to that, after that what happened? After the transfer of gametes, suppose the male gametes are transferred into the body of a female, that is the reproductive tract. And here the fusion of male gamete with female gamete is taking place, and that event is, next event is a fertilization. So first the formation of gamete, then transfer it into the female reproductive tract. So that is the gamete transfer. Later on there is a fertilization, that means the union of male gamete with female gamete. Then later on, what happened? After fertilization, there is a formation of, what is that? Zygote. So zygote is the result of fertilization. After that, there will be the that means after fertilization there is a formation of zygote, and zygote results into the formation of embryo and later on offspring. So all these events, development of embryo, that is embryogenesis, that one is taking place. Next to that, in an animal, there are some animals, they can breed all the times in an year. For example, that is called as a continuous breeder. That is human, apes. Apes, that is the type of monkeys. It is a species. And here this is the human being. They can reproduce all the time in an year. So that is called as the continuous breeder. And another one is a that is the seasonal breeder. So breeding pattern, two types, that is continuous breeder and another one is a seasonal breeder. In that seasonal breeder, there is an example of what is that. That one is a goat, sheep, then donkey. They can breed in a specific season only, not throughout the year. Those who are breeding throughout the year, that is called as a continuous breeder. An example is human and apes. And here is the seasonal breeder. In that seasonal breeder, example is a goat, then sheep, and another one is a donkey. So what is that? Here is a breeding pattern, two types. One is a seasonal breeder and another one is a continuous breeder. Seasonal breeder, then here sheep, then goat and donkey. And here is the continuous breeder. That one is human and apes. So here in a sexual reproduction in an animal, that is very important. What is that? Gamete. Because that sexual reproduction is taking place with the help of gamete. So first thing, gamete should be formed. That gamete should be transferred. Male gamete should be transferred into the female reproductive tract. Then there will be the fertilization. Then another one, that is zygote formation, embryogenesis. So likewise that events are occurring. Then next to that, we have to study the spatially reproduction in a human being. How that human beings reproduces, that we will study.